Our story begins not with a bang, but in the cold, dark expanse of interstellar space, a time before our sun, before our world, before life itself. It is a tale of cosmic violence and delicate creation. A 4.5 billion year journey that transformed a wisp of gas and dust into the intricate celestial dance we call our solar system. This is the grand saga of our cosmic home, from its chaotic birth to its present-day majesty. The stage was set 4.6 billion years ago within a vast and frigid molecular cloud, an immense nursery of interstellar gas and dust drifting through the galaxy. The catalyst for our creation was a cataclysmic event, the nearby explosion of a massive star in a supernova. The resulting shockwave ripped through the cloud, disrupting its fragile equilibrium and causing a dense region within it to begin collapsing under its own gravity. As this material fell inward, it began to spin, flattening into a vast, rotating disk known as the solar nebula. At the heart of this swirling vortex, pressure and temperature soared. Matter was squeezed so intensely that a protostar ignited, and in a brilliant flash of nuclear fusion, our sun was born, bathing the nascent system in its newfound light and energy. Following the sun's birth, about 4.5 billion years ago, the rest of the solar system began to take shape from the remaining disk of material. In the hotter inner regions closer to the star, only rocky and metallic elements could condense. Tiny grains of dust stuck together, growing into pebbles, then boulders, and eventually into planetesimals hundreds of kilometers across. Through a violent process of collision and accretion, these planetesimals merged over millions of years, forging the four rocky worlds we know today: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. During this tumultuous era, a rogue protoplanet the size of Mars named Theia slammed into the young Earth. The colossal impact vaporized both bodies and sent a monumental plume of debris into orbit, which eventually coalesced to form our moon. Farther out, beyond the frost line where it was cold enough for ices to remain solid, the true giants of our system emerged. Jupiter and Saturn, followed by Uranus and Neptune, swept up enormous quantities of hydrogen and helium gas, growing into colossal gas and ice giants. The solar system's early years were far from peaceful. From roughly 4.1 to 3.8 billion years ago, the system descended into a period of intense chaos known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. The gravitational influence of the giant planets, particularly Jupiter and Saturn, destabilized the orbits of countless asteroids and comets left over from the formation process. This sent a furious barrage of projectiles careening through the inner solar system. The newly formed terrestrial planets and our moon were relentlessly battered, their surfaces being pummeled and scarred by a constant rain of impacts. These ancient craters, still visible on the surfaces of Mercury and the Moon, serve as enduring testaments to this violent and formative chapter in our history. Today, after billions of years of evolution, we see a mature and relatively stable system. The planets have settled into their predictable orbits. The chaos of the early days has subsided, and a delicate balance has been achieved. Our journey takes us from the sun-scorched plains of Mercury, past the toxic clouds of Venus, and across the familiar continents of our own world, Earth. We fly by the red deserts of Mars, through the sprawling asteroid belt, and toward the magnificent banded giant Jupiter with its swirling great red spot. We witness the ethereal rings of Saturn, the tilted, icy expanse of Uranus, and finally, the deep blue solitude of distant Neptune. Here, in this vast and intricate celestial neighborhood, our solar system continues its silent, majestic orbit around the star that gave it life.